We often talk to our interviewees about being an accidental or an intentional leader. So, what category do you think you fall into?
Accidental.
Yeah.
No question about it. When my predecessor told me at 59 that he was going to retire, and he said, "You've been the insurance policy for this board. Do you want it?" And I had to think about it for a minute because I wasn't sure. I had never said that's the job I have to have. But when you're faced with that opportunity, I quickly realized that I was the only person who's in control of my career. And that's true for anybody who listens and watches this. Nobody else is in control of your career but you. And I had a vision for where I thought this system should go. I loved and was very loyal to my predecessor, but I would have done some things very differently. And I recognized that if I didn't put my hat in the ring and they brought in somebody else, I would likely have to be looking for a job because that person would create a new team. So I started looking at the same time I threw my hat in the ring. Spencer Stewart came in. They did a national search. The president of the university at the time said, and this has to be a physician, which, as you know, I am not. But once I really started to think about it and was able to articulate my hopes, my vision, my desires, it was pretty exciting. And so then I became much more intentional about what I did in this role.